Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar Wish Week. That means we don't have Wish Wednesday only. We'll bring up Wish songs from you guys and collect them throughout these weeks we have now. So this time we had you Difta, you wish for NEFFEX, and I'm happy. NEFFEX is back with this song called Fight Back. Alright, so nice song for NEFFEX we're gonna look at. So all the NEFFEX fans and also you Difta, I hope you will enjoy this one. Let's start Difta with this capo set here on the 6th fret. So if you wanna handle Fight Back, then you get your capo and put it on the 6th fret. So let's take a look at the chords first. We have the A minor. Alright, so it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We will have this D minor-ish chord. So it will be open D, second G, third B, and open E. Could be some kind of a sus version of the D minor. I'm not sure there, but anyway, that's how we hold it. And the final chord will be E. And that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so we'll start from beginning with this melody. It goes like this. Okay, so it starts with the A minor, and that's why you start with the open A string. And then 2 times on the high E, open high E. First fret B string, and then open B to first B. Okay, so that is the first part of it. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you first all the notes, and then I'm gonna show you what to replace and so to get the beat and everything. So this is the notes, and then you have the next chord, which comes here in order, C. It goes like this. So I forgot to say, you're gonna play A minor for 2 rounds. Now into the C. So the first round you will play. So the notes will be the same, just a different bass note. Now the bass note will be the 3rd fret A string. Everything else will be the same on the first round here in C. Okay, but the second round you're gonna play, start in the same way, 3rd fret A string. And then just 2 times on the 1st fret B string. So what you do there, different from the first round, is that you skip this open to first B. You just play 2 times on the 1st B string. So the second round will be, okay, so 2 times on open E and 2 times on 1st fret B string in the second round of C. Over to D minor. You're gonna play the same melody now, just a different bass note. The bass note now will be the open D string. So you play that for 2 times in the same way as you played A minor. And then you go to the final chord, the E, and you're gonna play now the open E string as the new bass. And the first round will be the same melody as all the other rounds, but the second round will be much like the C, where you just jump over the open, this open to first. You just play 2 times 1st B string. So the second round of E will be, which means open E string in the bass, then open E string, high E, 2 times, and then 2 times on the 1st fret B string. So that is the melody. All right. Now, if you wanna have this beat built in, then that beat will replace the first time you play 1st fret B string and the melody, that note you replace with a beat. So that means if you go back to the A minor, and then now that note, this one, 1st fret B string, replace that with a clap. So it will be, okay, you do that for 2 times. same for C. Remember, no open to B, just one note, the B. And then you do the same with all the other chords, D minor. And then for E, no open B string, just 2 times on the first B string. You replace the first one of them, so it's just 1 down on the one pick on the first fret B string in the end there. So that is how you handle the melody and the beats that is built in. What I like to do here when I do the beats and everything, I don't play just the notes. I hold as much as possible from the actual chord, and that will be more beefier, better sound and give more depth to it. So when I play it, I play from the chords, from the A minor. I hold the full chords as much as I can, and I pick not only the melody notes, I try to highlight that, but I also support it with other strings from the actual chord. So it sounds something like this. If you don't want to play this melody, you can replace it with a strumming pattern, all right? So if you go back to A minor, in the verse still, you can play the strumming that goes, all right? So it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one round. So, you're gonna play 2 of these string rounds per chord, A minor, C, D minor, and E. It goes like this. And so on. You can mix it up if you want to. That is how you play the verse. Now, the build-up is where you try to chew on the guitar. It adds up in tempo. You're gonna play just short downs on the actual chords. And now one string around will be about 4 fast downs, something like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means you're gonna play 4 of these string rounds per chord, in total of 16 downs. You will not count to 16 every time you go on a new chord. You just have to feel it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you hear pretty much when it's time to switch chords. So with this build up, 4 string rounds per chord, A minor, C, D minor, and E, it will sound something like this. So on. All right, so you're pretty much here when it's time to switch chords, and if you don't, you have to practice till you do it. All right, that is the build up, and then comes the drop. All right, so for this drop, we gotta have to learn a new strumming pattern. All right, that's the final thing to learn here, so don't panic, we're soon there. If you grab the first chord again, the A minor, we have a strumming pattern. It's pretty long, but its 2 parts are very similar to each other, just as minor differences there. So it starts like down, down, up, clap, up, down. So down, down, up, clap, up, down. Down, down, up, clap, up, down. That's the first half. And the second half is almost identical. It's down, down, up, clap, down. So no up, down, and end, just down. Okay? So the first part was, and the second part is, So down, down, up, clap, up, down, 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 up, clap, down, 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 up, clap, up, down, 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 up, clap, down. All right, that is one round. So you're gonna play A minor for 2 rounds now, then C 1 round, and D minor 1 round. So you have no E here. The chord progression will be A minor 2, C 1, and D minor 1, like this. And a new round. Took off there a little bit and jumped between the different parts, and that is the magic with NEFFEX. He does this melodies, they build up on pretty much the same patterns, chords, and then it just goes up from there. So that is how you handle NEFFEX Fight Back. Okay, Difta, hope you enjoyed this, and all you NEFFEX fans, you're like 6 million out there at least. I can see that on YouTube. So yeah, let's do this together. And if you like future NEFFEX songs, wish here on Going Guitar, I will do them more than gladly. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And if you like this tutorial, make sure you like it really and subscribe to this channel. It helps me to get motivation to go on actually. So thank you so much for your support. Until next time, play tuned.